Hey, so today I'm going to be testing out some relatively cheap smart robot curtains that I picked up online. Now, full disclosure, I've already made a mistake before I even opened the box, but let's see how these things actually perform. So this smart robot curtain attaches to your existing curtain rail and rod, and the idea is fairly simple. There's no wiring, no replacing the curtains, just clip it on and it'll automate the opening and closing of your curtains. Looking at the colours of the box, they've clearly taken some inspiration from SwitchBot. Let's hope this product is just as good, though it is quite difficult to get it open. So it looks like it comes with a manual, obviously, we expect one. Details on the app. It's very basic instructions. So before I go any further, here's where I messed up. My Roman curtains actually need two of these, one for each side. So instead of rushing to buy another one, I'm going to test it out on one side, see how reliable and how strong it is. So inside the box you get the curtain robot itself, charging cable, screwdriver, the wireless gateway, and a few other bits and bobs, which I don't think I'm going to need for my curtains. So these instructions weren't the easiest to follow, but they basically come set up for a T-track installation. And I have a Roman pole, so I need to set up the tracks for the Roman pole. So I need to unscrew this and then attach the Roman pole once. Okay, so I'm not going to make you watch me screw this in. So here's the finished product. Looks pretty good. Seems pretty solid, and you've got this like light sensor on the front here as well. It's quite nice. So it seems like the next step is to download this Smart Life app and register and start setting it up. Cool. So this is the wireless gateway. I've just stuck it into this Hive hub just to give it power. This is the robot attached to the back of the curtain. I have the light sensor facing inward. I don't know if that'll make a difference. I'll check it in the app. So this is it in the Smart Life app. You can see it does have the brightness, the temperature, which is pretty accurate. It is 21 at the moment. And then it has the electricity as well, which is obviously how much power is left, I think. Then there's a couple of settings in here. There's like dynamic mode and quiet mode. I found quiet mode to be very weak, so I'm not going to use that. And then you can set up schedules and stuff as well, which is quite nice. Again, I'm going to be using this with Home Assistant, so I don't think I'm going to get much use out of these schedules. But let's see how it works. Let's see if the noise of the curtains is enough to wake up the cat. She's still sleeping. It is very loud though. It's not annoying loud, like it's not the worst, but success. So this is the remote control. It's fairly basic, but it's quite nice. So there's open, fairly responsive. You can do stop as well. Click stop, stop straight away, and then of course close. I was playing around with it for a while and it did eventually wake the cat, and I got some filthy looks from her. Well, honestly, this is better than I expected. It's definitely not perfect, it can be a little bit noisy, but I think I'll run it for another week or so, and maybe I'll get the other one. Thanks for watching.